Welcome to the HumanityFirst headquarters here in Vaughan, Ontario. This headquarters also serves as the food bank where we provide food hampers to thousands of people throughout the country. Due to COVID-19, the efforts and our relief to the people increased in many folds. The number of food hampers delivered to families has increased in many folds compared to previous years. While businesses were being shut down, while there was lockdown, our efforts and our volunteers stepped up to help people in need. And this is what Humanity First is about, to come forward when people need help.
Humanity First relies on the support of donors who regularly donate to Humanity First. In order to raise awareness and collect funds, we hold awareness events. This year is a unique year because of the pandemic. Gatherings are not possible, and because of that, we are holding a virtual event to raise funds. These funds are extremely important for us to continue to support the urgent needs of the people who are affected by disasters and other calamities. Right now, our team is in Honduras helping victims of the Hurricane Iota and Eta, and we need a substantial amount of funds to support that activity over there. Similarly, the people in Africa are relying on us for water and food support, and we are providing them through these type of fundraising. So we are very grateful to our donors and request them to continue to support Humanity First in its various projects around the world.
This year was unique because of COVID-19. We were not able to hold a fundraising dinner here in person in a banquet hall. So our team came up with an idea of, let's do a fundraising dinner virtually where we are able to deliver dinner to people's homes. By the grace of Allah, with the dedication of volunteers, we were able to deliver food to people from coast to coast. While people enjoyed their dinner, they were watching our program as well. And this event was a huge success. We not only raised a large amount of money for different projects, but we were also able to get participation from people where they were having a meal at their home and also watching our program.